Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing Boss Lady Swag Box. This is a monthly subscription for boss girls, you know, fempreneurs, women that are in business. It contains a really nice lifestyle assortment. Like, you'll get things like snacks, desk items, office items, empowering items. Last month there was a book. This is the November box. These are $35 monthly. The box is super cute. It says Boss Lady Swag there. And then you open it up, and it's really cute inside as well. So here's your little insert, and then the back is going to list each of the items that we received. I'm choosing not to look at that. So it says, "Hey, Boss Lady, thank you very much for your support, Charisse." So here we have, it looks like a trunk scarf. Is that a trunk scarf? All right, I'm going to pause it so that I can, as you can see, my son was nice enough to take a pen and put a hole in the box. Oh, you know, kids. All right, I shall be right back. So this is indeed a trunk scarf. I love, love, love this color scheme. It's so pretty, like so soft and delicate looking. I really like it. I have a few of these in like a tartan plaid, like the reds and greens, and then I also have one in black. So this will make a nice addition to the collection that I already have. I like that a lot. So here are the other items in this month's box. This is a mug that says Boss Lady on it. I think that's super cute. The gold is a nice touch. Let's see what it says on the bottom. Oops. Sweetwater Decor. This is from Sweetwater Decor. This is huge too, by the way. It's really pretty. Okay. Let's move on. And then there, oh my gosh. It's a Boss Lady. This is like a desk, you know, a nameplate is what it would be called. Yes. And that's, everything's wrapped. That's so nice. Also, really quickly, let me show you something. So this actually comes out of this little nameplate it slides in, which is really cool. So you could change it out if you wanted to, but this is super cute. All right, so let's move on. Vision World Statements That Stick, sticky notes. Okay, so, oh, cool. So these are little sticky notes with 50 individual visual affirmations. So success, I don't know what the others are, but they're all probably very motivational. Let's see here. It says, be happy, believe in yourself, fitness, gratitude, love, success, scriptures, and scriptures. Oh, so scriptures of encouragement and scriptures of faith. All right, so those are super cool. I like this box a lot. Ooh, it's probably my favorite one so far. Another item that says, oh, look at this. So these are, these are super cute. This is Boss Lady, and it's a whole bunch of sticky notes. So you'd put this in your work area, and it would match your nameplate, which you already have. How cute is that? I like that a lot. So that is everything that I received in the Boss Lady Swag Box. I don't think the Boss Lady mug, oversized winter blanket scarf, Success Vision Word sticky notes, Boss Lady sticky note stand, and Boss Lady desk sign. So that is everything we received. This is a really nice assortment for $35. I love this mug and I love that scarf. So if you're interested in the full review, I will link to that below. I will also link to Boss Lady Swag so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.